Welcome to the class. Here, this is the second part from this third lesson, that is compound interest using formula. Here we are studying about to find the principal when the difference between compound interest and simple interest is given. How can we calculate the principal when the difference between compound interest and simple interest is given? There's a question for you, that is the difference between the simple interest and compound interest on a certain sum is rupees 54.40 for 2 years at 8% per annum. Find the sum. We want to find the principal, that is equal to what is said here, the difference between the SI and CA, compound simple interest and compound interest, is equal to 54.40 and that is for 2 years, and the rate of interest is equal to 8% per annum. Find the sum, and we know that here it is calculate simple interest and compound interest. If the sum is not given, take it as P is equal to X. The principal is equal to X, and then after that, that is what is SI? SI, we know that what is the formula for calculating SI? SI is equal to PRT by 100. P into R into T by 100, that is equal to P is equal to X. X into R is equal to rate is equal to 8 into T is 2 years divided by 100, that is equal to, calculating this we get 4x by, that is cancelling this, that is 50 2 times, that is 4, that is 4x by this 25, 4x by 25, that is SI. SI is equal to 4x by 25, and then after that calculating CA. CA is equal to, we know that what is the formula? That is CA is equal to A minus P. CA is equal to A minus P, and A is equal to, we know that what is it? P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to N minus this P. P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to N minus P, and is equal to, P is here, P is equal to B, take it as X, that is X into 1 plus R is, what is R? R is equal to 8 by 100 the whole raised to 2 minus X, the whole raised to 2 minus X, that is taking X outside, that is equal to X into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square minus 1. X into 1 plus 8 by 100 the whole square minus 1. Calculating this, taking the LCM, that is 108 divided by 100 the whole square minus 1. Okay, after calculating this we get the value, that is equal to 104 divided by 625 X. 104 divided by 625 X. This is SI and this is CA. That is, after that SI is equal to 4x by 25 and CA is equal to 104 divided by 625. That is, we know that SI minus CI is equal to 600. That is 54.40. That is the difference between these two, simple interest and compound interest, is equal to 54.40. That is subtract, that is CI minus SI is equal to 54.40 rupees. That is equal to 104 divided by 625 X minus 4x by 25. 4x by 25. 4 by 25 into X. Taking X outside, that is 104 by 625 minus, that is here, that is equal to, we know that it is equal to 54.40 rupees. Okay, and then taking X outside, that is 104 by 625 minus 4 by 25, and X is equal to, that is we get X is equal to After calculating this, we get the value x is equal, x is equal to 54.40 into 625 by 4. 54.40 into 625 by 4, that is equal to this 4. We get the value 8500. That is x is the value. P is equal to, we take it as P is equal to, here we take it as P is equal to x, and x is equal to, we get 8500. That is the principal, and the difference for this is equal to SI minus EI is equal to, that is 54.40. So that is substituting in this, that is CI minus SI is equal to, that is A is equal to CI minus SI. We know that. Where is substituting this, we get x is equal to 8500 rupees. When the interest is compounded half yearly, what is the formula for calculating the compound interest in half yearly and in quarterly? That first one is when the interest is compounded half yearly, that is 2 times in a year. That means half yearly means if it is in 1 year, that is for 6 months and 6 months. That is half yearly, that is 2 times a year. What is the formula? That is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 whole raised to N into 2. That is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 in the whole raised to N into 2. Here R is divided by 2 and N is here, it is N is multiplied by 2. R is divided by 2 in 2 and N is multiplied by 2. And when interest is compounded quarterly, that means 4 times a year, quarterly, for every 4 months, that is 4 times a year. That is A is equal to P into 1 plus here 4 into 100 whole raised to N into 4. That is this 4, that is the rate divided by 4 times, that is 4 into 100, and the N raised to N is multiplied by 4. That is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 4 into 100 the whole raised to N into 4. Let's do a simple problem. Okay, 1 by 2 years, that means that is equal to in improper fraction, that is equal to 3 by 2 years. 3 by 2 years, and R is equal to 10%. R is equal to 10%. P is equal to 4000. N is equal to 1 and 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2 years, and R is equal to 10%. That is, we substitute in the formula, that is for half year it is 1.5 years. For calculating half yearly, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 the whole raised to N into 2. That is P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 the whole raised to N into 2. That is P is equal to 4000 into 1 plus R is equal to 10%, that is 10 by 2 into 100 the whole raised to 3 by 2 into 2. 3 by 2 into 2, that is A is equal to 4000 into 1 plus 10 by 2 into 100 the whole raised to 3 by 2 into 2. That is, we calculating this, we get the value, that is 400, and that is 4000 into, that is 2 into 100 is 200. 1 plus 10 by, that is 110 by 200 the whole raised to, that is cancelling this 2, we get raised to 3, and calculating this we get the value 4630.50 rupees. That is equal to 4630.50. That is after calculating this, taking the LCM 200 and then finding this LCM, that is 200 plus 10, that is 210 by 200 the whole raised to, cancelling this 2, that is raised to 3. That is after calculating this we get 4630.50 rupees, and we get, that is what is CI. CI is equal to A minus P. A minus P, that is equal to 4630.50 minus, that is 4000. A minus P. A is equal to, here we get A is equal to 4630.50 rupees minus P is equal to 4000, that is equal to 630.50 rupees. Okay. Here there is a table for you. That is, if it is, that is for number of years. This is for number of years, and this is a formula for calculating compounded yearly, and this is for half yearly. And what is it? If n is equal to, first one, it is n is equal to 1 year. For 1 year, what is the formula? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to 1. This is one matter. That is P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to 1. And for if it is in calculated half yearly, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by, that is R is dividing by 2, 2 into 100 the whole raised to N into 2. N into 2, that is 1 into 2. That is next is N is equal to 1.5 years. N is equal to 1.5 years. And first we are calculating, this is for 1 year and this is for the next half year. That is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to 1. That is, this is for the first 1 year. And after that, that is for the next half year. That is 1 plus R by, that is R divided by 2 into 100 the whole raised to 1 by 2 into 2. And if it is calculating half yearly, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 the whole divided by, that is, this is 1 and 1 by 2 in improper fraction, that is 3 by 2 into 2. 3 by 2 into 2, that is for half yearly. And then if n is equal to 2 years, if n is equal to 2 years, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole square. This is n is equal to 2. Here n is equal to 2. And for half yearly, it is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 the whole raised to n into 2, that is 2 into 2. That is for half yearly, for every 6 months. And last one, it is n is equal to 2.5 years. 2.5 years. A is equal to, for first 2 years, that is P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to 2. This is for the first 2 year. And after that, the last half year, it is 1 plus R by 2 into 100 the whole raised to half into 2. That is formula. And for half year, it is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 the whole raised to, that is 2 and 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2 into 2. That is 5 by 2 into 2. Study this table properly, and this will help to find the problems. Okay, study this table properly.